Cherry learn.
Hello, Cherry learners. Have you ever looked up at the sky and thought, wow, I wish I could fly like a bird? But wait, why can birds fly and we can't? Let's find out together. 1. Birds have wings, we have arms. Wings are shaped in a special way to help birds lift off the ground. Our arms? Well, they're great for hugging, throwing, and waving, but not for flying. 2. Birds have light bones, ours are heavy. Did you know birds have hollow bones? That means their bones have tiny air spaces, making them super light. Our bones are thick and heavy, which is great for running and jumping, but not for flying. 3. Birds have strong chest muscles. Birds have big, powerful chest muscles that help them flap their wings really fast. In fact, their chest muscles make up almost 1/3 of their body. Our chest muscles are much smaller, so even if we had wings, we wouldn't have the strength to flap them enough to fly. 4. Birds breathe differently. Birds have a special breathing system that gives them lots of oxygen to stay in the air for a long time. Humans breathe in and out, but birds have air sacs that keep air flowing through their bodies all the time. This helps them fly without getting tired quickly. 5. Their bodies are built for flight. Birds have small, light bodies and big wings that help them glide through the air. If humans wanted to fly, we'd need wings that are as long as a bus. That would be really hard to carry around, don't you think? Can humans fly at all? Even though we can't fly like birds, we found other ways to fly. We invented airplanes, gliders, and even wingsuits to help us soar in the sky. Maybe one day, scientists will find a way for humans to fly naturally. Who knows? So, now you know why birds can fly and we can't. But that's okay. There are so many cool things that humans can do. What's something amazing you can do? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.
Cherry learn.